Hello YouTube, this is your friendly neighborhood personal artist Dylan here, and in today's video I will be showing you how to draw Benson from the regular show. So get a pencil and piece of paper, let's get started. Benson's head is basically a circle, and his body is also a simple kind of square, and his arms and legs are really just skinny, not super detailed. And remember, like I always tell my viewers, draw very lightly as you can at first until you get your lines the way you want them for the final drawing commitment. And his legs are pretty much the same way, and they're curved out like this. Okay, let's get into the basic details of his face. So we'll just define his circular shaped head. This character is relatively simple to draw. And not as completely detailed as the other characters. And then on the side here, his head's kind of a glass shape, so we need to draw this line that goes across, kind of creates like an edge. And then we draw the eyes, and his eyes are relatively just simple circles. And then we're going to draw his nose, which goes like this. It's a simple triangle, well, kind of a right triangle. And his mouth, we're going to make him smile like this. And then we're going to put in his pupils, which will be just not in the center, just with plenty of distance in between everything. And then right here, you're going to draw his like forehead lines that go like this. And there's going to be a smaller one on top. And then right here, we're going to draw his, kind of got this lid on top, so it's just a simple square, and it's got an antenna, so we'll just draw one straight line and a sideways, really small sideways oval like that. Now let's move on to his body. In the middle, he's got a switch. This character's kind of like a gumball dispenser, so we'll just draw this simple kind of heart shape. And then there's a rectangle that goes across it. But first, let's draw the rectangle. And then we got to draw the dispenser area. That's where the gumballs come out. So we draw this right triangle shape. This is how you draw a solid kind of ramp triangle. You just draw one triangle, then one straight line, and then another straight line that follows the path of this line. Then we'll darken that in. Like that. And then we'll define his main body. And before we get to his arms and legs, we need to draw these bumps to make them look like they're the gumballs inside him. If you've seen a gumball machine at a gas station or I don't know, grocery store, you might recognize those. Now let's draw the arms. They're relatively simple, just simply skinny, like rubber hoses or tubes. Then the hands, he's got 4 fingers, like the rest of the characters do. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's get the other one. Just a simple tube shaped like this. Really skinny. Then the fingers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's draw his legs. They are relatively simple. And then for his feet, we're going to draw these flattened out sideways ovals that go like this. Okay, and now what you can do if you want, because there are some kind of guidelines, you can lightly shade in some of the areas, but not black. They're kind of grayish. Starting with his arms and legs. And on his nose too. The antenna. And on that switch. And the dispenser. Sorry. Now we can get rid of some of our construction lines on some around his arms and legs, his body, and quite a few around his head. And there you go. that is Benson from the regular show. Write your name on it, hang it on your refrigerator, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and learning how to do this with me. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.